welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Delmonica, and you might notice I am in a slightly different location. New office, we just moved houses, so excited. There's some boxes, my, lamp is on the floor, blah, blah, blah. So we're a little all over the place. I don't have my normal lighting set up, but the content is gonna all be the same, and I'm so happy that you're here. Thank you so much for subscribing to Curls Monthly if you're a Curls Monthly subscriber. If you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service, and in my YouTube videos, I will go through each product within Curls Monthly, talk through a little bit about the product, how to use it, and usually I'll do a little lesson. So today's lesson that we're going to discuss is 3 ways that you can use the Curl Keeper Spray Gel. This is the spray gel that you are getting inside of Curls Monthly. It's so cute and little. I'm such a person for little things, like little doll shoes, little baby shoes. It's so cute to me. So excited for you guys to try this. This product is a really cool product. We haven't had anything inside of Curls Monthly like this, I think, ever. So first hairspray, first spray gel that I've ever even seen. So very excited to chat through this because there's lots of great things about this product. So just some fast facts about the Curl Keeper Spray Gel itself. It truly is a one-of-a-kind product. I have never seen a product like this. It sort of combines the hold of a gel and a hairspray together. It's not going to be that gross sort of aerosol-y hairspray as we're used to. It definitely doesn't have any of those harsh alcohols that we're used to when we see hairsprays as well. So it's really honestly the best case scenario for curls and the only type of hairspray that I use on my hair. It's definitely going to help enhance your natural curls. It's going to add that level of shine. It actually doesn't leave a sticky residue like most hairsprays. Works so good with the Curl Keeper Original Styler, which was in Curls Monthly a few months ago and can be used in so many different ways, which we'll get into in a second. Looking through the ingredients of this product, first up we have VP/VA copolymer. This right here is a gel and holding agent. So right at the top we have our first holding agent. Then next we have propylene glycol. That's going to help hair actually absorb and retain moisture. Following that we have glycerin, which is a moisturizing agent, propanediol, which helps with shine, and then carbomer triethylamine. That was a new one for me. I had to do some research on that. Still can't say it. But it actually creates that gel consistency that we're used to and defines curls. This spray is best for all hair. Literally, you can't go wrong. It's gonna be incredible for fine hair, especially because it's so lightweight. It's great for, coarser, thicker hair if you need extra hold to your product. There's so many ways to use this, and I am gonna go through some of those ways, but there's ways beyond that. Literally, no one needs to be careful for this product. This product is super well formulated. It's so versatile. It does what it says it does. I cannot say enough. I know that this is gonna be one of those things you guys use and then you're like, oh, I should never buy a normal hairspray. Okay, got it, Barbara, thank you. So let's talk through how to use it. So the Curl Keeper site says the following. For a concentrated stream, best for spot styling. Gently and slowly pump the trigger into the palm and spread directly onto the area that needs gel and style as desired. So this is gonna be for a concentrated stream. So if you just need one area corrected, you would spray, and then you would put it on that one area. Notice I put this area because this area is always my one area. So you would spray it and then fix that one area with the spray. In that case would be more so of a way to get down frizz. So if you had a frizzy curl up here, you would spray it onto your hands and then brush it through. The second way the website says to use it is for all over misting. You're just gonna pump the trigger fast and firmly onto the hair and then style and scrunch. So that's just spraying your hair down and styling and scrunching your hair. So those are 2 ways to use it. I'm gonna give you an additional 3 ways to use it that are my signature ways. So the first would be as an alcohol-free hairspray. So use it any way you would use a hairspray. So that would be great for slick back hairstyles. It would be great for updos, for weddings, anytime you need that extra hold. I know for me, anytime I'll put my hair in a ponytail, I find it really helpful to just spray the ponytail down to hold that right in place. So any way that you would normally use a hairspray, this is going to be heaven sent for. The second way that I would use the Curl Keeper Spray Gel is at the end of a routine before diffusing or air drying for max hold and max definition and max shine. So this would mean that you do your entire curl routine from start to finish on still wet hair. You would then take out the Curl Keeper Spray Gel and then just spray that on as almost like a finishing spray. Think about a setting spray when it comes to makeup. And that's just going to help with frizz while you're diffusing. It's going to help with frizz while you're air drying. And it's just going to help with frizz throughout the longevity of your hair's journey. The third way that you can use the spray is a non-invasive refresh method. So I'm actually going to show you right now because my hair could use a little bit of a refresh. I'm gonna take this gel and we'll just focus on this sort of area right here. I'm gonna take this spray gel and I'm just going to spray it around. And very instantly, it's just going to get that little frizz out of here. Smells so great. Just a light, easy, clean smell. And then the frizz is gone. And there's just a little bit of a hold and added shine. It's so easy. So if you just need like a very gentle, quick refresh, great method, great, fantastic product to use. It made me so excited when Curl Keeper said that they had minis of these to put inside of Curls Monthly because again, we haven't had a product like this. And I think that it's so beneficial and so necessary. I think that's it for today. Let me know below how you are using this product and how you are enjoying it. As always, if this video helped you at all, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.